Good morning, class. Welcome to day 5 of your graphic design unit. This video will discuss today's task list and the assignments that need to be completed. So your learning goal is to plan and create a graphic design advertisement using visual organizational strategies that clearly communicates information or ideas using digital media technology. You guys, of course, are using the Sketchbook program and you are planning your advertisement through that application, and you have chosen a consumer product that you are going to advertise and communicate to the viewer to make them want to buy your product. So the essential question refers to just that, what we just discussed, is how do artists and designers create works of art or design that effectively communicate those ideas or that information? The answers to this question can be found in that day 1 video, The Fundamentals of Graphic Design. So I highly advise you watch that if you haven't already, but be thinking about that essential question and how you can answer that in your learning log in the next class, since the next class is the last day of the unit and everything needs to be completed by the end of the class. So your vocabulary words today are emphasis and resolution. These are your last 2 vocabulary words for the unit, which leads us to our task list. First, you're going to watch the emphasis and resolution video. This is where I will discuss the vocabulary and give you the entrance ticket questions and answers. Once you've watched that video, please complete your entrance ticket by answering what is emphasis and what is resolution. Lastly, just continue working on your advertisement today and submit a screenshot of your work to the Day 5 student progress. Please remember that you only have 1 more day to complete the assignment before the unit is over. If you finish early, please submit it to next class's folder, the Day 6 folder, under the graphic design final project assignment so I can grade it. If you have already finished early or you will finish early today, please make sure you also submit a free art drawing to today's student progress to show that you did art in class today. That's if you already finished early. And also, please make sure that you complete that learning log. If you've already finished, there's no reason why you can't complete the learning log. Get that done and over with so you can spend the last few days just bringing your grade up in the class or just making sure that everything is the way you want it before the end of our class. All right, so that is it for today. Please let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing how your graphic designs are coming together. All right, bye everyone.